Here is my third technology website. It's called mysteryscience.com. It is an online standard-based science website. It is separated based off the different standards for the grade levels. You can go down and find your grade levels off the side. You can see it uses next generation science standards. So with third grade that I teach, there is 4 different categories based off of the standards that they use, and each category you can click on it and it gives you a whole unit to teach off of. This one is the plant life cycle and the hereditary. There's 5 different mysteries usually. This one has 4 sometimes. And you can go in each one. It kind of tells you have about 30 minutes worth of exploration time, which is them showing you videos and having you explore different things. You pause it. Great discussion questions to do with your class. And then there's an activity that you can do with it afterwards. My students loved this website. It's a free website as well. And it had great hands-on activities for the kids to do. There was extra things. There was quizzes you could give. There was more reading material you could link it to. We definitely used this for the students, and it had great content. It lined up with those standards very nicely for us. The standards it lines with is 5B and 5C. When you go into a lesson, you just click on it. You can get the activity supply list ahead of time by clicking on here, and then you can watch activity instructions videos. It kind of tells you what you'll need. If you need to print something, you click on it and you can print it. If it's something that you need on your own, it kind of gives you an idea where you can find them. Also, you can use your own material that you have. I did this exact lesson with my students last year and they had a blast with it and really enjoyed it. You can print the activity instructions, you can leave the login, great for substitutes if you're not there. Then you can start the mystery. As you can see, it says my membership's 8 days overdue. It's a free membership and it says it's free for a year, but we found out that once your membership expires, they never make you redo it. They will let you keep going on the website with expired memberships. So that was really nice. There's also mini lessons each week that they have. It's like a 3 to 5 minute video called a Mystery Doug video. These were great for my students just for a little bit of time when we'd have to fill in the gaps. Every week they had a different question. They'd explore the question, answer the question, and at the end of the video they posed 3 more questions for the following week, and so you as a class could vote which one you wanted to do. So it's a good little time filler that we would use when we'd have extra time to look at the different mini lessons as well. So wonderful website, mysteryscience.com. If you haven't ever seen it, check it out. Kindergarten through grade 5 is what they have on here. And it lines right with the next generation science standards.